Hey there, welcome to English Story Listening House. Today's story is The Lonely Lamp and the Little Girl. It's a simple and heartwarming English story for beginners, perfect for improving English listening and reading skills. So let's get started. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was an old lamp post standing quietly at the corner of the street. Every evening, the lamp would glow brightly, guiding people safely through the dark. But as years passed, new electric lights were installed everywhere. The old lamp was no longer needed. People stopped noticing it. The lamp felt lonely and forgotten. One cold night, a little girl walked down the street with tears in her eyes. She had lost her old home. The new lights were too far away, and the street was dark. The girl sat under the old lamp and cried. The lamp, though weak, used all its remaining strength. It glowed softly, lighting up the path. The girl smiled, wiped her tears, and followed the gentle light. At last, she reached home safely. The next day, the villagers heard the story. They realized the old lamp still had value. From then on, they kept the lamp glowing as a symbol of hope. Moral of the story: everyone has value, no matter how old or forgotten they may seem. Even a small act of kindness can light up someone's darkest moment. Vocabulary: lonely, feeling alone and unwanted. Installed, put something in place for use. Gentle, soft and kind. Strength, power or energy. Value, importance or worth. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Learn English through stories. English Story Listening House.